Legacy systems coupled with the relentless pace of industry change are a major pain point for utilities. They're fragmented, costly, and not necessarily fit for a world that demands real-time responsiveness. So what are the biggest opportunities for simplification? They lie in building modular, interoperable platforms that are primarily based in the cloud. But that's just tech. Transformation isn't just a technology problem. It starts with an operating model and an operating model that has simple decision-making layers, standardized core processes, and builds agility into your governance. The focus has to be on the high friction zones within your business, things like billing, onboarding, field operations, the places where inefficiency really hurts customers and the bottom line. And though once those areas are stabilized, the door opens to like consolidate data and simplify the flows behind the scenes, which is what truly enables automation and better analytics. So this isn't just about lifting and shifting the old or current world. It's about building something that's fundamentally simpler and smarter. Yeah, AI is the buzzword, right? So I have a bold statement incoming. AI should make utilities more human and not less. So the opportunity isn't just around automation, it's augmentation. So virtual agents and AI handle the repetitive, resolve the simple, and free up human agents to focus where impact is high. Things like empathy, context, and care, and especially for vulnerable customers. But none of that happens by accident. The magic is in the orchestration. So smart routing, real-time sentiment analysis, AI-assisted agents all working together to deliver the interactions that are timely, helpful, and grounded in customer context. Think of AI as like a silent partner in a really good conversation. It doesn't take it over, it helps people anticipate and not just react to certain situations. And when it works well, it makes customer service feel understood and not necessarily processed. Transformation doesn't have to mean a huge CapEx type project. In fact, some of the smartest innovation is happening at the edge, deploying digital assistants where they make a real difference. It's building self-service journeys that actually serve, and it's using AI to spot billing anomalies before they become complaints. The best results often come from micro innovations, redesigning outbound emails to cut call traffic, using chatbots to absorb noise, and yes, a contentious and complex one, automating the complaint triage to ensure speed and consistency. The trick to all of this, though, is to treat operations like a product. You test, you learn, and you iterate. Don't overplan or overbuild or overinvest before seeing some sort of value. And finally, where you don't have the expertise, you can just partner for it. So for customers, the transformation is real and tangible. It means simpler, faster, more intuitive experiences, no more repeating the same details, no more long waits for resolution. Instead, service just feels more joined up across apps, people, systems, and even devices that you use. Smart metering, as an example, is an enabler for intelligent touch points along that journey. They'll trigger support when something goes wrong, enable real-time advice when usage spikes, or link seamlessly to self-service or help billing. Billing will be accurate and proactive and not a source of confusion, and vulnerable customers, they'll just feel more supported without having to ask. Ultimately, operational innovation makes utilities feel less like a legacy service and more like a digital experience, responsive, factual, and most importantly, personalized. And that's the real future win for customers.